Hi there, my name is Vakar Kyani and welcome to my channel English Hard Learning. Today we are going to discuss direct and indirect speech, and this is our seventh video. In this video we are going to see the sentences having let in it, and we will see how these sentences change from direct to indirect speech. We have some examples. Let's go for a walk. So this is a suggestion and proposal. Let me do my work. So this is a request. Let him come in. This can be an order or a request. Now we need to see what are the rules we need to know. So we have two conditions here. The first condition, when said will change into suggested. Then inverted commas will be replaced by the word that. The word should will be added after subject, and the word let will be eliminated. तो इसमें रूल होगा कि जब हम सेट को सजेस्टेड में चेंज करेंगे तो फिर उसके बाद इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को हम दैट के साथ रिप्लेस करेंगे, और जो वर्ड शुड है वो सब्जेक्ट के बाद ऐड किया जाएगा, और जो वर्ड लेट है हम उसको यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. The second condition is when said will change into ordered or requested. Inverted commas will be replaced by the word to. दूसरी कंडीशन होगी कि जब सेट ऑर्डर या रिक्वेस्ट में चेंज होता है तो सिर्फ हम एक ही चेंज करेंगे, दैट इज हम वर्ड इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स की जगह वर्ड टू लगाएंगे. लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स. So examples of suggestion or proposal. So now we have first example here. He said let's attend another lecture. So this is kind of a suggestion. So then we're gonna change the word said to suggested. Now we have inverted commas and that will be replaced by the word that. So now we're gonna add they there because this is a suggestion. So after subject we're gonna add a word should there. So the sentence will be she suggested that they should attend another lecture. The second sentence we have, she said to me, let's play another game of Ludo. So again this is a suggestion. So suggestion or proposal is the same thing. So we can use either suggestion or proposal. So said will be replaced by the word propose. So we can write here suggested as well. Then there is a let will change into that, and now because this is a suggestion, so then we're gonna add the word they there. Now we have to add another word, that is should, after the subject. Now the sentence will be she proposed that they should play another game of Ludo. Now we have some examples of request or order. The first example we have, the boss said to the peon, let the visitor come in. So this can be request and this can be an order as well. So we just take it as a order. So said to. So this is order. So the boss order the peon. Then we're gonna add the word to here. So the sentence will be the boss ordered the peon to let the visitors come in. The second sentence we have, she said to me, let me find some good clothes for Samir. So this is a request, so that's why said will be replaced by requested. So she requested me. Then inverted commas will be replaced by the word to, and me is a first person pronoun, so it will change according to the subject of reporting speech, so it will be her. So the sentence will be she requested me to let her find some good clothes for Samir. That's the end of our lecture. Thank you so much.